Air filter installation. I'm going to rotate this because it's maddening for me here. Or a different position. Oh, let's leave it like that. This is the old New Holland filter that was in there. This is the air filter that I'm replacing it with, an HP 4659K. It looks a little different than what my neighbor pulled out, because evidently this part should have come as well. See, New Holland. So, this needs cleaning out. So let me take care of that right now, and that'll be off camera. I'm gonna put in a towel I moisten with brake clean or something and get all that grime out of there. Gonna clean that all up. Installing the new filter. There we go, and we'll flip it up this way so you can read what the filter is. This was made in COVID Central, 3 weeks before the COVID hit. Anyway. I'm sorry. All joking aside, that has a nice knob, set it right where it belongs. So the filter's in. They fished around in the garage for it. I guess my neighbor went in partners with somebody who passed away, and his kids or someone else or whoever was using it neglected the poor tractor. So that's what's going on there. Anyway, he claims I may end up with it, but I'm not too worried about that. I want to make sure he has what he wants for spring. He knows I'm going to do it right, and I love him, so I will. Get him what he needs.